Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to share Gmail calendar. So you cannot do it in the application itself. Instead, you need to use your browser. Open your browser and type here Google Calendar and open basically the link. And here what's very important, that you need to select desktop version of the site, of the website. So desktop, and now we have opened our desktop version basically of the Gmail calendar. So on the left hand side you see all my calendars, and to share some calendars I need to click on it and press three dots button, and here choose settings and sharing. And here in the section shared with, you need to press add people and groups, and here all you need to do is just start type in the name of the person you want to share your calendar with, or their email address. And here are some permissions. So if the person you want to share your calendar with will only view your calendar, or the person will be able to edit your calendar. And after you do that, the person will receive a notification on their Gmail address, and that says, do you want to have an access to the Gmail calendar? And the person can choose whether yes or no. So that's basically how you can share Gmail calendar with someone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.